everyone, Katka here. Today I want to give you one major tip in order to attract a lot of money in your life, and that tip is very simple. You must create a loving relationship between you and money. How do you do that? You write love letters to money every day for as long as you want to do this. And every time you do it, you're going to create a connection between you and money then has a channel to flow into your life. So what do you write in these love letters? So let's talk about that. You want to write in these love letters, firstly, appreciating all the awesome stuff that money has been able to do for you so far. So all the things that you've been able to enjoy, afford, appreciate money for being able to do that for you, including having this internet connection to watch this and to experience the magic of not just what I'm saying, but also the nature around, right? Appreciate money for being able to do that. Appreciate all the money that is about to come in your life, because it's always come. It has always come. Has anyone noticed that? You're not on the street right now. It has always come in some form or the other form. So appreciate the money that is coming in the future as well into your life, and also appreciate the role that money has played on planet Earth itself. Instead of seeing money as an evil thing and disconnect with it and see it as a bad thing, remember that money in the hands of good people has done so much good in the world. So appreciate all the good that has happened in the world by virtue of money being in the world. So appreciate that, and you'll create that loving connection. And as long as there's a loving connection, there's going to be a flow. So there's two things that will break off that connection. Listen carefully. The first one is your misaligned energy. When you're in lack consciousness and you're in victim consciousness, you'll pinch yourself off. So make sure you're able to pivot that. I'm teaching a class on Sunday. In case you were not there this Sunday, I did this class called the Fire Method. I'm doing it again, okay, in the upcoming Sunday. It's a 3-hour class. It is on creating smoothness in all areas of life, including money, including health, including relationships, including career, and a lot of magic steps to do the Fire Method. So step by step, it's there. Make sure you register in case you have not. The second thing that will pinch you off is your identity. If your energy or personal identity is somebody who is not only a victim consciousness, but someone for whom money is not normal, then it's going to keep getting blocked. Either you will, when you make it, it will begin to start bleeding out, so you won't be able to save and you won't be able to grow that money, because it just bleeds out, because it's not matching your identity. Build your identity up to somebody for whom money and having money is absolutely normal. And how do you do that? You do that using the 5 steps that I'm teaching in the upcoming class, the Fire Method. But whether you come for the class or not, just remember these are the 3 things. Build a loving relationship with money. Second, make sure that you're not blocking it with any misaligned energy, okay, because no amount of hard work can make up for your lack of alignment. And third, shift your self-concept to somebody for whom money is absolutely normal and natural. If you can do these 3, it's a perpetual flow of money forever, because everything is a vibration in this universe. If you want to know how to do these 3, again, come for the Fire Method class. It's happening on Sunday, and I'm going to do a few more videos like this. Just a little sharing here. It's almost 8 o'clock in the night. Almost 8 o'clock in the night, and this is what it looks like. That's the magic of being here in Europe. So I want to share one more thing, is that I'm going to make a few more videos like this over the next few days. Major tip for health, major tip for relationships, major tip for career, job success, major tip for business success. We're going to do like this one major tip series for the next couple of days, and I hope that you find them valuable. If you found today's tip valuable, please let me know in the comment section. If you feel like this channel and the words that we share on this channel is powerful for you, share it with other people so it's powerful for them as well. I love you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos and in the Fire Method Masterclass. See you there.